The standing high to low cable reverse fly is an excellent exercise that targets the rear delt muscles on the back of the shoulders. Using a cable machine allows you to keep constant tension on the posterior deltoids throughout the entire range of motion. To get started, set both sides of the cable pulleys to the highest position on a cable crossover machine. Remove any grip handle attachment from the cable machine, then reach across your body with one arm to grab the bare carabiner on the opposite side, then repeat with the other arm so you're holding both sides. Stand in the middle of the cable machine with your feet shoulder width apart. Extend your arms in front of your body with your palms facing down to create an X with the cables. Keeping your chest upright, lock down your upper torso, then pull your extended arms down and to the side in alignment with your chest to form a T with your body. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, then after a slight pause, under control, slowly reverse the movement by crossing your extended arms back in front of your body to the starting position. Repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.